Learn Gujarati fast. I go by bus, I help you, and
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
welcome to your Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny chaotic day and a lot of useful phrases. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the nonsense. Our hero wakes up late, looks at the clock, and makes a dramatic decision worthy of cinema.
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
That means, I go by bus. Very practical, very brave, very much cheaper than buying a helicopter. On the way, the hero gets a phone call and says,
હું બેંકમાં છું.
I am at the bank. Is the hero actually at the bank yet? No. Is confidence important in language learning? Absolutely. Then a suitcase appears, because stories need drama, and the hero announces,
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
I go to the hotel. A friend struggles with bags, books, and possibly life itself, so the hero says,
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
I help you. And finally, in a noble group moment with backpacks and mild panic, everyone says,
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
We go to school. The bus of destiny. Let's start with movement, because standing still is less exciting and worse for this chapter. Listen for the rhythm and repeat after me. You are at the bus stop. The bus arrives with the confidence of a king and the brakes of a frying pan. You smile and say,
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
again,
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
I go by bus. Now imagine rain. Your shoes say no, but your brain says yes.
જ્યારે વરસાદ પડે છે ત્યારે હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
Mini memory trick.
બસમાં.
Helps you remember by bus or in the bus. Funny image. A giant bus parks in your living room, and all you can do is whisper.
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
A very suspicious bank visit. Now let's learn a location phrase. You do not need money to practice it, which is excellent news for most of us. Your friend calls and asks, where are you? You answer,
હું બેંકમાં છું.
that means, I am at the bank. Again in Gujarati.
હું બેંકમાં છું.
Try this longer version.
હમણાં હું બેંકમાં છું.
Right now, I am at the bank. Comedy version. You are standing next to an ATM for 30 seconds and suddenly act like you run the whole building.
હું બેંકમાં છું.
Quick note.
બેંકમાં.
Means in or at the bank. The hotel, the suitcase, and the drama. This next phrase is perfect for travel, tired feet, and people who look at a hotel bed like it is a national treasure. You arrive in town with a suitcase, a backpack, and emotional damage. You say,
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
again,
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
I go to the hotel. After work, maybe you say,
કામ પછી હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
easy memory win.
હોટેલ.
Sounds a lot like hotel. Friendly word, cooperative word, a word that wants you to succeed. Fun image. You enter 5 cafes by mistake, then finally find the correct building and proudly declare,
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
hero mode. I help you. Now we switch from travel to kindness. This phrase makes you sound useful, generous, and much better than a broken shopping cart. Someone drops books, bags, or 27 oranges. You step forward and say,
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
that means, I help you. Again,
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
a warm example. When you are tired, I help you becomes,
જ્યારે તું થાકી જાય છે હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
keyword alert.
મદદ.
Means help. Funny image. Even a tiny ant wearing a superhero cape shouts,
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
march to school. Time for the team phrase. This one is great for groups, routines, and tiny imaginary school parades in your head. Two friends grab their bags and say together.
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
That means, we go to school. Again.
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
Another useful version.
અમે સાથે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
We go to school together. And now connect it with the first phrase.
અમે બસથી શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
We go to school by bus. Funny image. Even the family cat puts on a tiny backpack and joins the chant.
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. I will ask, you answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of a person who definitely did the homework. How do you say, I go by bus?
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
How do you say, I am at the bank?
હું બેંકમાં છું.
How do you say, I go to the hotel?
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
How do you say, I help you?
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
How do you say, we go to school?
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
A tiny story to remember everything. Now hear all the phrases in one silly mini story. This helps your brain connect the words instead of storing them like lonely socks. It is morning. You are late, your hair is confused, and your breakfast has betrayed you by falling butter side down. So you run outside and say,
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું.
On the way, your friend calls. For no clear reason, you proudly answer.
હું બેંકમાં છું.
Which is not true yet, but the day is still young. Then you remember you have luggage, because apparently this is the busiest morning in human history, and you say,
હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું.
Outside the hotel, your friend drops a bag, a notebook, and maybe their dignity. You kindly say,
હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
Finally, both of you grab your backpacks, regain your honor, and shout.
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
And somehow, against all logic, you make it on time. Great job and see you next time. You did it. You learned useful Gujarati phrases with buses, banks, hotels, help, and school, which is honestly a very productive day. Today you practiced.
હું બસમાં જાઉં છું. હું બેંકમાં છું. હું હોટેલ પર જાઉં છું. હું તારી મદદ કરું છું.
And.
અમે શાળાએ જઈએ છીએ.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases again later today, and let your Gujarati grow one funny sentence at a time. You are doing great.